The benefits of creatine. And the body on and off creatine supplement. Creatine is naturally produced in our body, and some foods we eat. It's also available in supplement form, and many people take it to help improve their athletic performance, and increase their muscle mass. There are several reasons why you might want to consider taking creatine. Here are 7 of them. 1. Creatine can help improve your athletic performance. If you're looking for a way to improve your athletic performance, creatine might be worth considering. It has been shown to help with short bursts of activity, such as sprinting and weightlifting. 2. Creatine can help increase muscle mass. If you're looking to build muscle, creatine can be helpful. It has been shown to increase muscle mass when combined with resistance training. 3. Creatine can help improve brain function. Some research has shown that creatine can help improve brain function. This includes aspects like memory and intelligence. 4. Creatine can help protect your brain. There is some evidence that creatine can help protect your brain from damage. This includes damage caused by diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 5. Creatine can help treat depression. Some research has shown that creatine can help treat symptoms of depression. 6. Creatine can help you lose weight. If you're trying to lose weight, creatine can be helpful. It has been shown to help increase fat loss while preserving muscle mass. 7. Creatine can help slow the aging process. Some research has shown that creatine can help slow the aging process. This includes, as mentioned, reducing the risk of age-related diseases, like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. So will you get strong without taking creatine? No, you will not be able to grow as strong without. But you can still get strong, but it takes longer time and harder work. Your muscles will not be able to repair and rebuild themselves as efficiently, and you will not have the same level of energy to push through tough workouts. If you stop taking creatine, you may also see a decrease in muscle mass and strength. There are some potential mild side effects of taking creatine, but these are usually so mild, and go away on their own, like light headache. If you're concerned about the potential side effects, talk to your doctor before taking creatine. So, should you take creatine? It depends. If you're looking for a way to improve your athletic performance or build muscles, creatine can be a helpful supplement. However, if you're not active, or don't want to gain muscle, there's no need to take creatine. Are you looking for quality creatine online, or other workout supplements? Check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching.